Want to show them? It's Yusuf Family Fun Time. Hey kids, today we're gonna open some Lego packs like this. My baby sister wanted to join. Hannah, do you want to show them your Lego also?
Yeah.
Okay. This is one. Who is this? This is a girl.
Bird.
Yeah, and who is this one?
Bird.
Yeah, and you can show them later. Okay, kids. So this is Captain America. These two people are a policeman, and I think this is a fire person because it has a fire symbol here. And this is a racing car girl, a scary monster. See him? A scary monster with wings that can fly. I think this is Black Widow, and this is a ninja that has no eyes. And this is War Machine that can fly. But this is a person that has a life jacket that rides on a boat that has a cape.
Open this.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. And you can open this one also, and you can play games.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to do that when I'm showing the kids something?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so kids, as I told you that we're opening Lego Movie 2 packets, sticker packets. Now we're gonna actually open them. So this is my Lego Movie 2 book. Okay, let's see. As I told you already, I've done some. So let's open this. So when I have duplicates, I put my stickers somewhere special in the book. Okay, so let's see. See if it has 10, you have to find 10. Oh, found it. Number 10 is right here. So now let me. Okay, kids, so now I'm gonna open all of them. So I'm going to open all of them and show you them. Number 12. Yeah, there. This one, 124.
Hey kids, I'm going to go to the phone. I'm going to read my books. Bye.
I found it. Okay kids, so this one's ripped, so I'm gonna try fix it. 16, number 16. The other piece is right here. 16, go all the way back. 16 right here. So first I'm gonna do this one. And since it ripped. Now I'm gonna do this one! 133. $61. This is a duplicate. Duplicate. 50. $59. $109. What? Oh, 109. Batman. 47. Last but not least, 153. Finished. Okay kids, so now we're finished with the stickers. And if you have this the Lego Movie 2 sticker album, please comment or subscribe. Bye kids, I hope you had a fun time joining me. doing these stickers. Bye. Hope you subscribe.
Check out my other video and please subscribe.